The PowerColor Red Devil RX 6700 XT stands out with its blazing 16 gigabits per second memory speed and a digital max resolution of 7680x4320. Whether you're gaming or streaming, this card promises smooth visuals and top-tier performance that meets the demands of modern titles. What really sets this GPU apart is its innovative cooling system. Featuring a dominant triple-fan cooler with 6 nickel-plated copper heat pipes, it pushes heat away from the core efficiently. The vertical aluminum fin design expands the surface area, dramatically improving heat dissipation for longer, stable gaming sessions. Thanks to the exclusive new cooling fan design, airflow and air pressure increase by up to 60% compared to previous generations. This means your card stays cooler even under heavy load, maintaining peak performance without throttling. The fans use 2-ball bearing technology, which boosts their lifespan by 4 times, ensuring your investment lasts longer. Plus, the mute fan technology automatically shuts off fans below 60, delivering a completely silent experience during medium or low-intensity gameplay. That's quieter gaming and less power consumption. Under the hood, the Red Devil RX 6700 XT features a smooth nickel-plated copper base that directly contacts the GPU. This copper base enhances heat transfer, keeping the card's VRAM cool and stable. Combined with a 10+ 2-phase VRM and Platinum power kit, it offers superior power efficiency and thermal protection, allowing for safer overclocking. Dual BIOS adds flexibility, letting you switch between OC mode for maximum power or silent mode for quiet operation. This versatility means you can tailor the card to your gaming style, whether you prioritize raw performance or a quieter setup. Users in the United States have praised the card's condition and performance, noting it arrives clean and defect-free. One reviewer highlighted that it runs like new and delivers top-tier performance for $100 less than retail, making it a smart buy for budget-conscious gamers. If you're looking for a graphics card that combines advanced cooling, durability, and powerful specs, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 6700 XT is worth a look. It balances speed, silence, and reliability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience.